Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to download the Bifrost wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Next, launch open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Bifrost and perform your search. Look for this application where it says Bifrost Wallet from Togo Labs. Now, tap on the download button and you'll be able to start the download process for the wallet. Once the download is completed, tap on open to open the app on your device. That is how you can easily download Bifrost wallet application on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.